Yo, what's good, YouTube? Today is a special day because I'm gonna install my Boss 302 intake manifold. Let me show y'all real quick. Yes, sir. That shit gonna look too clean. I got the intake manifold and I also got the 47-pound injectors we're gonna install, and also this air ray intake. So let's just get right into it, man. Let's take off this cover right here. All right, y'all, next step, you're gonna want to take this hose off. For me, I got the JLT catch can right here. Definitely recommend. There we go. All right, next you're gonna want to disconnect this hose right here too. There we go. Just get out the way. Now we're gonna disconnect this sensor right here. Just pull on this little red tab. Pull on this tab right here. It just slides right off. All right, y'all. Now next step, we're just gonna remove this clamp. Connects to the throttle body right here. Gonna take this off right here. Y'all, I got the intake out. The next step you wanna do is remove this little throttle body connection right here. It's a red tab. Pull it down and then get the tab. Should just come right out. You're gonna want to remove this clamp right here. It's for the purge valve. We'll get to that too later. All right, y'all, the next step right here is get these two clamps off. I already know this shit's gonna be a bitch, man. That shit looks old and rusty right now. Oh, fuck. Whew. Finally got this shit off, man. All right, y'all, the next step we're gonna do is remove these little brackets, I guess from the fuel rails, and just remove this little foam piece right here. All right, y'all, we're gonna remove these 4 bolts that hold to the fuel rails right here. It's a 10 mil. Damn. All right, y'all, once y'all got those fuel rails removed, you're gonna go ahead and remove these injectors right here. It's just these little plugs. You can get to them right here. Cause y'all got all 8 injectors disconnected, you're gonna want to remove this fuel line right here. And all right, cause this shit's gonna fucking go everywhere. Oh shit, that is a lot of fuel. Once y'all got this disconnect, all the gas came out. You're gonna want to lift up on these fuel rails right here, take them out. When you got the fuel rails out, you're gonna want to grab your 8mm with a wrench and get these 3 bolts on each side of the intake manifold, and it should come out. When y'all got those 3 bolts removed, you're just gonna want to get this and take it up. Damn, this thing is ugly. All right, y'all, shit, I'm gonna be putting these 47-pound injectors. You don't have to do this if you're installing the Boss manifold, but if you're gonna want to run E85 sooner or later, you're gonna have to upgrade to these 47-pound injectors. So let me show y'all how to take this off. I think it's just these 2 clips. How to take them off is just these 2, just not 2, but just 1 little tab. Just open it up wide and then just pull it out. It should come out. And just take out these injectors and repeat them for all of them. All right, y'all, when y'all got everything, when you got the fuel rails in, the injectors in, the throttle body in, now you can go ahead and put it in the engine again. All right, y'all, what y'all want to do right now is just tighten these bolts. Just get them snug for right now, because you're gonna torque these down. All right, we're gonna torque this down to 89 inch-pounds. Now, unfortunately, this one doesn't have inch-pounds, but I searched it up. It's 7.4, so I'm just gonna go with 8 pounds. And you're gonna want to do this in a certain sequence. You want to tighten this one first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Holy fuck. God fucking damn. Fucking bullshit. Alright, you guys, shit, I'm back for round 2. I don't know if y'all could tell too good, but man, I was tightening one of these bolts right here and that shit had just snapped and broke on me. So I don't know, man, my torque wrench was fucking up. This shit was being weird, so I'm just gonna snug these and tighten these down. I ain't even gonna use torque wrench. So, but just letting y'all know, I'm human, man. We make mistakes too and shit happens, so that's all good. But we still gonna get into this install, all right? All right, guys, with the fuel rub bolts, you're gonna want to tighten this in a certain sequence: 1, 2, 3, and 4. Once you get your fuel rails connected, you're gonna want to put this, I think it's the brake booster line. You want to get this on here, and then for that, you're gonna want to put this on back to there. Once you get this little fucking shit on here, god damn, this thing is a bitch. But once you get that thing on there, you're gonna want to attach the foam, put it on there. Once I got the foam on, just reattach your brackets, all right? Once y'all tighten the brackets, just gonna install this line right here. Here we go. I just put the purge valve relocation. I put it right here. It's right under here, throttle body. I put some zip ties, put them on both sides, and I connected the throttle body connected right here. Next, we're just gonna put the intake. Let's put everything back on. I put the intake, bars, everything, strut bolts, everything. All I need to do right now is just reconnect the battery and start it up, and we'll see how it is. All right, y'all, I just got the tune done. I'm finna start it up and see how it sounds. Shit, I'm nervous, man, I'm nervous. Here goes nothing. Alright, y'all, everything's sounding good, everything's sounding normal, no leaks, no nothing that I know of. So yeah, everything's good. I uploaded soon and it seems all right so far. So I guess that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you guys got any questions. Subscribe, comment, like, all that good shit, and I'll hit y'all with the next video. All right, peace.